Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I've collaborated with Curls to bring you guys their green collection. It is all vegan and I was able to try out their products and want to share the results with you guys. So if you'd like to learn more, please keep watching. So I'm starting off by washing my hair with the Sea Kelp Curl Cleanser. And honestly, this cleanser smells so delicious. But it also has a lot of benefits for your hair. So it cleanses your hair without stripping your hair of its moisture. So it provides hydration for your hair. It has tons of vitamins and it has minerals in it that promotes hair growth and scalp healing. I love that there's a bunch of suds in this shampoo because it just really makes me feel like my hair is getting cleaned. After shampooing my hair, I followed up with the green tea hair rinse. I had no idea that green tea had so many benefits for your hair. But what I really love about this hair rinse is that it actually restores your hair's pH level. When we put so many products in our hair and then we go about washing our hair, our pH level can get unbalanced, but using this rinse helps your hair get its balance back. After making sure that my hair is fully cleansed and rinsed, I followed up with the Sea Kelp and Cucumber Mask. This mask is made up of cucumber juices that help your hair feel super silky and shiny. As you can see, this comb is going through my hair flawlessly and my hair is feeling super soft and moisturized. This is a great way to condition your hair while you're in the shower. Okay, so I'm out the shower. I was able to do my makeup. My hair is damp enough and it is fully detangled. So I just want to make sure that before I put anything else in my hair that I'm able to part it so that I can section my hair into small pieces and distribute the product evenly in my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the bamboo protein treatment to my hair. So this treatment is actually for hair that is feeling frail or weak. It is really helpful for hair that has been previously chemically or color treated. And the nice thing about this treatment is that it has both conditioning and protein properties in it. So you can get your conditioner and your protein all in one. I like to do this on days where I have an extra step where I can take some extra time and give my hair a little extra love. And the nice thing about this treatment is that it has bamboo extracts, which is really beneficial for your hair and just overall leaves your hair growing thicker and stronger over time. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish sectioning off all the different parts of my hair and distributing the product throughout my hair. I have to say, out of all the products, this bamboo treatment was honestly my favorite product of the collection, just because I really felt how soft my hair was getting after using the product. Like, it really looked healthier, it felt healthier, and I feel like my curls were flowing naturally. Now that I've distributed the treatment throughout my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and let my curls dry for a little bit so that I can use a styling product to set my hair. I'm going to finish setting this wash and go with the Avocado Hair Mousse. Now, if you do not already know, avocados are super healthy for you, not just for your body, but for your hair also. They're packed with fatty acids that, when applied to your hair, are very beneficial in nourishing and conditioning your hair. What I like about this mousse is that it gives you the definition that you may want from your curls without having to compromise your hair's health. So I've distributed that throughout my hair, and once I'm finished with that, I'm gonna let my hair dry for a little bit and see how my curls turn out. Look at these curls. They are defined and voluminous. I am loving this look. The green collection is now available at Target, so head over, pick up some of these products, and let me know in the comments below what you think. Until next time, bye.